my new video, and I'm going to talk about what I'm doing with my bed. So this is the mattress that came with the RV. I don't know if it's the original one, and they purchased a new one, or if this is truly the original. It is an RV mattress, which means it is lighter than a regular mattress. So when a lot of people are like, you know, can you just put a regular house mattress in your RV if the measurements are right? Sure, why not? The only thing is that they are heavier, and you do need to consider that when you're worried about toe weight. So I don't at this point want to go buy a new mattress. Maybe someday, but right now that's just not in my thing to do. So I did sleep on it the other night. I bought just a regular, like, kind of a small little pillow top comforter, or not comforter, but pillow top, no, topper. It's not very thick, but I did put that on first. I slept on this mattress, and it's not horrible, okay? It has a couple little, maybe some lumps and bumps in it, but what the problem really is when it comes to these mattresses, and is really what they sit on. So at home, they sit on a box spring, right? And that box spring offers you not only like cushion and movement, but it offers airflow. Here, these mattresses sit on, I don't know if you can see, I lifted up everything here, sits on wood. This is just plain old wood paneling. There is storage underneath here, which allows you to kind of lift up. But as you can see, this is the underside, this is just wood. And wood can be very uncomfortable to sleep on. So I decided to be like, okay, what can I do to make it a little bit more comfortable? And I thought, not only do I need something probably on top of my mattress, but something on the bottom that goes between the wood and my mattress. Now, another thing to consider when you're talking about RV mattresses is humidity. Humidity is your RV's enemy, right? Because it's just, sometimes it gets really hard to get rid of humidity in here. And what happens in your mattress, so because this is kind of, may not happen as much with mine, because I do have some insulation here and I do have some carpeting, but this is basically the bottom. This is outside. So when you get outside, that comes to the bottom of your mattress, your kind of frame here, this is cool, right? This kind of that cooler air. And then your mattress is warm. And your mattress is warm basically because you're sleeping on it, you're sweating on it, you know, whatever. It's the warmth of your body, warmth of the room. When that cold air and that warmth meet, that forms moisture. And moisture, again, an RV's enemy, causes mold. So one of the things you always need to be worried about is mattress mold. So I did a lot of reading when it came to mattress mold, and there are things that you can do, and some of them are very expensive and some are very cheap. So I went the cheap route because I thought this was a pretty good idea, and I'm losing all my light because the sunshine just went down. But anyways, ta-da, light. So a couple of things that I decided to do, not only to protect my mattress from the mold, but to maybe make it a little bit more comfortable. So first thing I did is I put down a layer of cardboard. Now this layer of cardboard isn't really to kind of protect the mattress. What it does is it kind of just helps a little bit with the insulation so that you don't have so much to that cold, warm interface kind of coming together. So that kind of helps it a little bit. Another thing I did is I then laid down this blanket. So this comforter came with the camper. I had no desire to keep it. I don't want it. I was just going to get rid of it. I'm like, well, let me put it underneath the bed. Again, it'll help with barrier, and it'll give a little bit of cushion. The next thing I did is I laid down one more. So now this is a down comforter blanket that I have had for a year and a day. Longer than a year. But we haven't used it. I haven't used it. It's been sitting in underneath our bed because it's a very warm blanket, and I just haven't needed it. I don't know if I'm going to need it moving forward in this RV. So I thought, why don't I now use it for some padding underneath my mattress? It's very soft. It's a very nice blanket. It'll give some padding. And should the time arise that I decide, hey, you know, I really do want this blanket, well, this is where it's stored. Is it easy to get to? Maybe not. But at this point, it's not taking up any space for storage. I know where it is. I can get to it if I absolutely get to a point where I need a down comforter, which hopefully that doesn't happen anyways. But I have it, and it's good. So then I put my mattress down on top of it. I can't flip the mattress from top to bottom. As you can see, mattress is only supposed to be one way, but I did rotate it. So you can probably see down there, right? That's the tag. Normally the tag is down here at the end. We did rotate it to kind of maybe help with those lumps and bumps. The next thing I did was I got a mattress topper. I did go out and get one of these. I am not a big fan of foam. I think foam is usually kind of uncomfortable. It's warm. I know they say it should cool you. That's what they say. I know. But I figured it was only 20 bucks. My first inkling was to actually put this under the mattress, because there's nothing that says that I can't put a foam topper under the mattress to give it that padding. But I thought it might help a little bit more with some of the lumps and bumps that are in the mattress. So I did that. Then I also went, and like I said before, I have this other little kind of pillow top, kind of fluffy mattress topper. So it's nice, and it's got these thick pillow topping. Okay, so now I've done my nice thick, again, pillow topping that I have on my bed here. And then I will just throw on the sheets and I will be done. And there is my new bed. I love what I have done to my bed. I was just laying in here this morning going, I am so comfortable. I don't want to get out. So I hope you liked those tips and tricks and that they help you a little bit more, and be sure to check out my other videos.